this video, we will discuss about femur bone. Position of the femur bone. The femur is the only bone in the thigh and the longest and strongest bone of the body. It can be divided into three parts. First one is posterior end, second one is shaft, and last one is distal end. First, proximal end. This forms ball and socket joint with the acetabulum of the pelvic girdle. Then we comes the shaft. The shaft of femur is cylindrical shape which joins both the end. This is distal end and bears a intercondylar groove. Its function is to support the weight of body and allowing motion of legs.